So James, just walking around, even our own demos, but other demos all around the floor today, have something to do with augmented reality. But it seems to me that at the foundation of applying augmented reality, there has to be data and artificial intelligence. How does that work?
Yeah, Paul, I think you've hit on something. The augmented reality we're seeing on the floor is really interesting, and I feel like a little kid in a candy store watching this stuff, but it's just displaying a device and showing you what's there. It really doesn't tell you what to do or how to do it. So other AI technologies need to come into play. Can you recognize the conversation with, let's say, a technician who's under stress? Can you offer the right advice? Can you connect to the right source of knowledge at the right time? Without that ability to bring that augmented reality to the moment of decision and the moment of change, whether it's a business opportunity or a device that's broken on the factory floor, it really doesn't matter whether you've got cool goggles on. That kind of integration I described is really not the purview of any one company on the floor here at Liveworx. That's the kind of thing that Cognizant can do to bring together the knowledge base, the customer base, and the product base along with the technologies.
Thanks so much, James, and we're all looking forward to your talk tomorrow.
Thank you, Paul.